Okay, so today I'm up under my truck getting ready to replace my eSIM. Now, I'm gonna insert the long name for it. I can't remember it, but abbreviated, it's an eSIM. Basically, this is a common problem in our around 1500s or whatever, and it would basically have a code pop up on the dash, basically telling you that your gas cap is loose or some shit. So before you waste your money and spend on that gas cap, go ahead and replace that eSIM. It's like $20, y'all. And from the angle that I'm at, you can already kind of see it right here. So yeah, let's replace it. Okay, so first you'll want to undo this tab right here to disconnect that wire. Wiggle, 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 wiggle it out. Okay, disconnect the hose right here. Disconnect it. Now it's also like a small tab that sit behind it that you gotta press so you'll be able to twist it out. And once you twist it out, your part should be ready to come on out. Y'all hear that noise in there? Yeah, it ain't supposed to make that noise. This is my new part. Y'all don't hear that noise, do it? Nope. Okay, so once you get your part back in there, you just want to twist it until you get a little tab click again. Once that click, put your hose back where you got it from, right there. Reapply your tab. Reconnect your wire. There we go. Put that hose back. Make sure it's all the way on there. Yep. And we done.